Okay, today I'm gonna show y'all something, man. Yeah, I tuned my car about 2 days, a day or two ago, and cause I put it like 10, 20 times, they didn't want to start up, taking it forever to start up. It's windy out here too. I don't know if y'all can hear me right now, but I tuned it, the carb, and now since I tuned the carb, it starts up in one start. Alright, I'm gonna pull it one time for y'all right now. One time, it should start it up. The engine is cold and everything. So I'm gonna start it up right now. Alright, here we go. Hold on, hold on, hold on. It starts right up. Right up. It starts right up in one start. I'm about to turn it off now. Yeah. I'm really surprised I got it to start up in one start. Probably in my next video, I'll probably ride it, see how it run. We'll probably do that tomorrow. Right now, I got a headache and everything. But here, you can look at my bike now. Yeah, I'm gonna get some knobs on this later. Probably about a month or two. Nah, probably about 2 weeks. Get me some knobs on here. You turn this thing up. Yeah, this thing gonna ride so much, man. I'm gonna ride this thing till it break down. Then I'm gonna fix it back up. Then I'm gonna sell it. But I'm gonna make sure it run even faster then. But if y'all like this video, comment on it. I'm saying I should have showed y'all how I tuned it up. So I'll probably do that in my next video instead. Cause it took me about a good hour just to figure out everything right. Now since I know how to do it, I'll probably do it about 5 minutes. Yeah, I did a lot to it, man. Tell me how you like the paint job too. I'm gonna change. I still got a lot to change on it too. See, instead of this exhaust right here, I don't really like it. So I'll probably end up going and changing. I'll probably cut it and make it shorter and everything. Give it more power to it. Probably get some flathead pistons. Give it more compression. This thing looks so nice. I'm gonna be hitting about 80 by the time y'all see me one day. Yeah, it's not for sale. So don't ask me if you could get it. Just comment if you like anything, got any questions or anything. Just tell me if you like it, man. Thanks.